Burek. A main dish from Bosnia and Herzegovina. Serves 8. You will need 12 ingredients. Step 1. Mix flour, melted butter, salt and warm water to prepare the pastry. Step 2. Cut the pastry in 4 equal pieces. Step 3. To prepare the filling, mix the meat, melted butter, chopped onions, egg yolks, salt and pepper. Step 4. Roll the pastry out on the table until very thin and leave for a few minutes to dry. Step 5. Cover the pastry thinly with melted butter. Step 6. Put the filling at the edge of one side of the pastry and roll it up to create sausage roll-like pastry. Step 7. Take the round dish and create the spiral with the pastry starting from the middle of the dish. Step 8. Before completely baked, pour either the double cream or butter melted in warm water. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.